I'm going to tell you the how to trade with IQ option today. So in the previous lesson I have told you with this strategy how we take the trades easily and effortlessly with our strategy, using our strategy. So CCI is going up and the RSI is going down now, so this is a downtrend. You see it's a downtrend. We see the 3 hours trade, you see the price going down, so that means this is this full chart in a downtrend. So what we are going to do is we just now RSI going to hit this line, so let's wait for this. Let's wait. Today I'm going to show how to get the trade with this strategy. Using this strategy, the market isn't move well today because I don't know what's the reason. Market is not showing a high movement like this. Okay, we are here. So let's check your USD. Okay, now RS, you see this is a heavy downtrend. So actually I will show you how to get the trades for yourself and how to identify the downtrends and how to draw the trend lines for your trades. Okay, so let's go with this. Actually, so we are here at, so let's go with this. Okay guys, and now we are going to take our next trade in here. So let's see these currency pairs. Okay, now I think let's see. Okay, now we can see here this RSI is already touched but CCI is not, but we need to get this candle to this bottom line of Bollinger Band, the bottom Bollinger Band. This is the top, this is the middle, this is the bottom. So let's wait for this candle. Is this candle going to touch this? Then we can surely enter for the trade. Okay, so let's wait for this. I'm checking now. So in here we see CCI is going to touch, RSI already touched. So okay, now this Bollinger Band going to touch the upper, this candle going to touch upper Bollinger Band. Let's see how it goes. Okay, this is already touched. See this is already touched, and but it's not so much good. But if this candle go in here, for the next candle we are going to get the downtrend for sure. Okay, next candle. Oops, what the hell is that? Oh no, this created a huge tail, so don't take this signal. Don't take this signal. Okay, now it's going up for the next candle. Okay, now the strategy is complete here. See this? RSI touched, CCI is touched, and the Bollinger Band, the candle I'm going to put the downtrend. Okay, let's see. See that? How did I enter to the trade? Now this trade going to win for sure. Pretty sure this trade is going to win because this is strategy work like that. This is strategy always work like that. Okay. So if you really need to implement this strategy, so people can easily get win, but oh god, so sometimes you need to get the next candle because RSI not going to get down, so we need to move for the next candle for sure. Okay, it's okay. Now I'm going to wait. Okay, now I can put a downtrend. Oops. The IQ option. Okay, now it's going down. This trade is going to win because RSI going down, CCI going down. So this trade is surely going to win because RSI not coming up again. Okay. If RSI coming up, then this trade is also going to lose. I think there's no good points in this scenarios. I think I didn't see any good. See this? The market like dead today. Market really like dead today. I don't know why is that. Market really look dead today. More movements in the market. Some more movements in the market. Seriously. So this trade is lost actually. Sometimes what actually happen here is sometimes this RSI we want to get confirmed. That's the thing I want to show you actually. Sometimes RSI doesn't go down level we want. So what we need is this level of RSI going touch and go above, and it need to come down. The CCI is also going up and it's going down, and in here the Bollinger Band should close outside. The candle should close outside of the Bollinger Band. So that's how this strategy works. So in another day I will show you how to get this trade, because today's market is very weird. You see the candle height is so small today. Seriously, the candle height is so small today. There's no good times, good candles. Seriously, there's no good candles today. See, it's a very small pieces. There's no market movements, high price, low price. There's no good market movements today. So very small candle movements today. So we need to avoid these times. So here you see it's a very few candle heights. As you see, it's a very low movement. of the candle. That means buying and selling is not it is a random movement with candles. All the markets, GBP, JPY, USD CAD, Euro USD, GBP USD, you see every market has today's no good moments here. So we need to move for another day to show this trade. This trade is going to show some results, but in here it's not touched CCI. You see, if this CCI goes from down here and go up, and RSI going down here and go from up, this is the trade we want to get. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how to take the best trade here. So we will use this strategy with another day. Today is a Friday from my country, so and the Saturday and Sunday isn't a trade. So in the Monday we can get sure signals with this strategy. I will show you that too. So thanks for watching.